Hi friends, it's Baci. Welcome back to Baci Learn Land. Whew, this is difficult. I'm trying to do a puzzle, but I'm quite stuck on it. Can you help me? Thank you, friend. So I'm going to give you the clue of a color, and can you help me find it? And then I will help you by telling you what that number is. Are you ready? Okay. So the first puzzle piece, the number 1, is going to be in the color red. Yes! This is red, and this is in red. Ooh, wow. Now remember, the second clue was that we were looking for the number 1. Is this the number 1? No. Is this the number 1? Yes, this is the number 1. This is our first puzzle piece. Let's put it on our board right here. Whoa. All right. Puzzle piece number 2. The puzzle piece that I'm looking for is in the color orange, specifically a dark orange. All right. I also see 2 colored puzzle pieces. Now remember, I did specify that it was the dark colored orange. Is this dark orange? Yes, because this is light orange. All right, well done. This dark orange puzzle piece has the number 2. 1, 2. That's the numeral. It's in number form. Okay, let's lift this up. Let's put this puzzle piece. What about like that? It worked really well. Nice work. All right, puzzle piece number 3. It's in orange too, light orange. Do you remember where I put it? It's right here. This is the number 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, let's put it right here. Oh, so twirly. Look at that. We have a red 1. We have a dark orange 2. And we have a light orange number 3. What's the next number? You're right. The number 4. Number 4 is in yellow. Do you see a yellow puzzle piece? Me too. Right here in front of me. This is yellow. It's a yellow puzzle piece with the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, I wonder how it goes. Not quite. Let's try this way. It worked. Notice how I did not give up. I kept on trying. All right. After 4 is the number 5. Okay, the number 5 is in a green color. Can you see a green colored puzzle piece? Here it is. It's in dark green. That is the numeral number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, let's put it back on our puzzle. I wonder how it goes. Does that work? Yes, it does. So we have the 1 in red, 2 in dark orange, 3 in light orange, 4 in yellow, and 5 in dark green. 5, 6. 6 is in dark blue. Peculiar. Uh-oh. I'm a little confused. They look almost identical in color. Does this have the number 6 on it? No. This is the number 6. That's the number 6. I'm going to use my fingers to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes! All right, now we have to figure out how we put this puzzle piece over here. We did it! Look at that! Whoa! Look at how twirly! Okay, number 6. And then the number 7. Okay, the number 7 is in light blue. Can you find a light blue puzzle piece, please? Look, these are in blue. Now remember, the clue was that it was in light blue. That's the one, smarty. All right, this is the number 7. It's in a light blue puzzle piece. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes! All right. All right. I don't know how to put this. Oh, but I remembered that, look, it kind of turns. So maybe it turns down. It goes from up, down, up, down. Okay, so if it faces down, there we go. We have a 1 in red, 2 in dark orange, 3 in light orange, 4 in yellow, 5 in dark green, 6 in dark blue, 7 in light blue. Way to go. Okay. Number 7 is number after it is 8. Notice how I could do different. I could represent the 8 using my fingers in very many different ways. Okay, where is that dark blue puzzle piece that we haven't used yet? Ding, ding, ding. Right here in the middle. This is the numeral number 8. Let's count together. Maybe I'll put my fingers. What about, is this? No. There we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, before I did it like this, or I did it like this, those are all different ways to represent the same number. All right, so we figured out that the puzzle piece goes up, down, up, down. I think we still have to continue going downwards. We were right. Way to go. Look at that. Oh, we're almost there. Okay, the number 9, that next color is in a black puzzle piece. Can you see the black puzzle piece? It's right there. This is the number 9. Okay. Here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, we did it. All right, let's see how it goes. So based on our clue, it goes up, down, up, down. Maybe it doesn't go that way. Let me try a little more on an angle. Uh-oh. What about if it goes like this? No. What if I go back this way? We got it! We didn't give up! Way to go! Look at that! Yes, we have a red 1, 2 in dark orange, 3 in light orange, 4 in yellow, 5 in dark green, 6 in dark blue, 7 in light blue, 8 in dark blue, 9 in black, and last but not least, puzzle piece number 10 is in what color? It's in the color red. There it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it's also in the color red. All right, so we're going down but headed up. Let's put that right there. Oh, wow. It ended up being a puzzle of a snake. Let's review our numbers and colors. Red, 1, dark orange in 2, light orange in 3, yellow in 4, 5 in dark green, good, 6 in dark blue, 7 in light blue, 8 in dark blue, 9 in black, and 10 in red. Thank you so much for playing with me. I had so much fun and I hope to see you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe for many more adventures. Bye!